Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. 7 simple steps to achieving financial freedom. In a world driven by money-related soundness, accomplishing genuine money-related flexibility could be a dream for numerous. Imagine living a life where cash is now not a consistent stress, and you've got the flexibility to seek after your interests and live life on your terms. Well, expensive peruser, today is your fortunate day. In this video, we are going to uncover the extreme tips and traps to assist you clear your way towards money-related opportunities. Get prepared to unleash the control of your funds and set out on a journey toward a brighter, wealthier future. 1. Embrace the control of budgeting. To begin with, the step towards budgetary flexibility is to pick up control over your accounts through budgeting. Making a budget permits you to track your pay and costs, giving you a clear picture of where your cash is going. Isolate your costs into categories and recognize zones where you'll be able to cut back. Keep in mind, each penny spared could be a step closer to money-related freedom. 2. Crush your debts. Debt can be a major detour on your way to money-related flexibility. Begin by posting all your debts and prioritize paying off high-interest obligations to begin with. Consider uniting your obligations or arranging with leaders for way better reimbursement terms. By dispensing with obligations, you free up your wage and quicken your travel towards budgetary independence. 3. Invest for the future. Investing could be a capable device for making riches and securing your money-related future. Teach yourself about different venture alternatives such as stocks, bonds, genuine bequests, and shared reserves. Begin by contributing little sums and continuously increment your portfolio as you pick up certainty and information. Keep in mind, time is your partner when it comes to contributing, so begin as early as possible. 4. Multiple streams of income. Relying exclusively on a single wage source can be hazardous. To realize the budgetary opportunity, consider broadening your wage streams. Investigate side hustles, outsourcing openings, or indeed beginning a little trade. By producing extra wages, you make a security net and assist your way toward monetary independence. 5. Master the art of saving. Saving cash isn't almost about cutting back on costs, it's about making keen choices. Explore ways to spare on regular costs such as basic supplies, utilities, and transportation. Consider mechanizing your reserve funds by setting up programmed exchanges to an isolated reserve funds account. Challenge yourself to spare a certain rate of your pay each month and observe your savings develop steadily. 6. Continuous learning. Financial proficiency is key to opening budgetary opportunities. Remain upgraded with the most recent patterns and advancements within the money-related world. Exam books, go to classes and take after trustworthy monetary specialists. The more you know, the better prepared you will be to create educated budgetary decisions. 7. Set reasonable goals. To remain persuaded on your money-related flexibility and travel, set clear and practical goals. Define your long-term goals and break them down into littler, achievable milestones. Celebrate each turning point as you advance, and keep in mind that consistency and diligence are key to coming to your monetary dreams. Becoming fiscally free isn't an overnight supernatural occurrence. It requires devotion, teaching, and an eagerness to require control of your money-related predetermination. By executing these tips and traps, you'll slowly change your monetary circumstance and clear the way for a brighter future. Grasp the control of budgeting, smash your obligations, contribute admirably, differentiate your wage streams, spare deliberately, teach yourself, and set important objectives. Nowadays is the day to require the primary step towards money-related flexibility, and keep in mind, the constraint is the one you set for yourself. Get prepared to open a world of conceivable outcomes. Thank you for watching.